Did I put deodorant on? Yeah, I did. Sorry. It's not what you think. It's an incense. Got him. And healthy doesn't mean no sugar. Healthy means no chemicals. Getting ready for Ikea, but first I'm making some yogurt. So this morning I went and I worked out at Rumble and I had such a good workout. And then I edited a YouTube video that should be up maybe tonight. Who am I kidding? That's not gonna be up tonight. I have to go, I'm going to Ikea after this. So it'll be up tomorrow. I make my yogurt so full of stuff. I have apples in here, granola, coconut flakes, chia seeds, flax seeds, apples, peanut butter, cinnamon, maple syrup. I love putting syrup or honey in my yogurt.
It's only $100. That's not bad at all.
Yeah. They said I looked like a vlogger.
Oh, I do love that bedspread.
It's cute, but it's hard.
Pillow shopping. So I really liked this line, but I don't have anything to match that. I'm going with her. So cute.
Yay!
I want to redo that part.
Redo that part.
I was like,
Stay. Do I smell? No. Wait. Did I put deodorant on? Yeah, I did. Sorry. Guys, we're trying the famous chocolate from Ikea. I follow this guy named Obi Vincent. Do you guys know him? He is so fine. He's from London. Oh my gosh, he's so attractive. The way his lifestyle is and the way he is, I'm like, yes. So he inspired me.
I was right into the.
Okay, do not. Yes, this is perfect. You have the perfect vlogging camera.
See?
Car. Look, it doesn't move. It looks like I'm naked. Wait, that truck's going backwards. I'll zoom in.
Cheers!
Ooh.
I was not expecting that hard
That's why
middle,
She was.
but that's good.
Ooh.
Is it like toffee?
It's like caramel, but it's like not as sweet.
You like it? When you see this on the shelf, you're not gonna pick this up. It's always the products that look like you have no idea what it is and they're the best. I gotta take a picture of this and tag him on Instagram and thank him, and then maybe he'll find me.
You could just DM him your phone number.
I already did. My shoulder.
I already did.
windshield. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this pillow, but I love this new pillow I got. This is so cute. Also, check out the plant I just got. I love this vase. It looks so good. I have the absolute worst headache in the world. I have like a migraine right now. This comes like second, third day of my period. Yeah, and we have it. I ordered some plants. Yes, they're artificial. Now I don't care. Yes, I'm for alive plants. I love plants. We are one with nature. There are some places like my bathroom where light just doesn't get to. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ow! Okay. I hope I got that on camera. I'm scared to look up there. I hope there's no bugs. I hope there's no bugs up there. I can't do this. Yeah. Okay, we're good. I did it. That's cute. Guys, get your artificial plants from Amazon. I got this 3-pack for like $15. Usually you get 1 for $15 at TJ Maxx. They just smell like a syrup a little bit, but that's okay. So we want her there. That's cute. Do we want her here? That's a vibe. We love it. And we're gonna put like a picture right there. I am listening to a lot of London podcasters and YouTubers, so I'm stopped in to get an accent. I feel heavy this morning, like mentally and emotionally, not really physically, which is nice, but it's okay if I felt heavy physically. Choosing to turn that upside down actively, and I'm not doing this as a way to escape it. I allowed myself to feel it, compared to what I've done in the past was just totally ignored it and added in like a workout intentionally to forget about it. And that you go nowhere, you know, because you stuff your emotions down by doing that. And if there's no healthy outlets or there's no healthy way to actually feel your emotions, they will continuously stay inside of you. With that being said, I allowed myself to feel it this morning. I took my time. I didn't rush into anything that I didn't want to do. I sat with it, and then I decided, because my goal today was, I just wanted to go outside and run. That's all I wanted to do. I mentally and physically wanted to run. And I woke up early to do it because out here in Austin, it's really freaking hot. So the reason why I'm sharing this story is because there's a lesson that I think a lot of you guys can learn from. It's raining outside, like actually like thundering outside. What do? Can't run outside. Y'all might be thinking, oh, just run on the treadmill. It's not the same. I love being outside. I'm just gonna go do it in my gym. And I'm really happy and excited because this is something I don't enjoy doing. Like, I don't enjoy running on the treadmill. I don't like it, but I enjoy running. So I am doing it with the mindset of, look at me growing, look at myself stretching, look at myself doing something that I want to do, but it's not in the exact circumstance. And there's a lot of growth when you do things like that. The lesson here is, do not be attached to the outcome. Do not be attached to having it your way or the highway. Sometimes things happen that you literally cannot control. Like, for example, I cannot control this weather. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Also getting my nails done tomorrow. I'm so excited. And then Saturday, I go to Miami. This is the gym fit. Just finished a mile run. I did 5 sprints. I did my mile I started at 6 miles an hour, then I went up to 7, then 8, and I ended at 8.5. So I did that for a mile, and then I did 5 sprints. I did my sprints at 11 miles per hour. And yes, we used the regular treadmill. Then I did a little core circuit. I'll add. It's right here. And now I'm gonna do some booty. Just getting overall full body flowing, the most important parts, which is for me, my cardio, my core, and my glutes. Because when you train your glutes and you make your glutes really, really strong and you activate them, it takes off the pressure from your hips and your knees and your lower back. And we all about that maintenance, baby. Train your mind, the body will follow. If your legs aren't burning after using resistance bands, that means you gotta go a little harder, do a little more, or add more resistance, so get a stronger band or double it up, or do more reps. I got you with the answers. I've been in this industry for over 10 years. Like, I'm 30, so like 13 years. That's my number. I just realized that. Whew. It's not what you think. It's an incense. Got him. Dude, I'm either 100% kidding around and playing and joking, or I'm serious as. We just finished at the gym. Now we're gonna make my protein shake, and I figured I'd do it on camera to show you. Where do I start? Got my cup, organic unsweetened almond milk vanilla. So in my smoothie, I don't always use ice because I use frozen fruit. So I got some organic berry blend. I washed my hands. Strawberries. Y'all better be eating organic, okay? I know it costs more. It's just an investment in yourself. Orgain is my thing at the moment. Plant-based, I'm not plant-based, but I love the way this tastes, and it's very, very, very healthy. And healthy doesn't mean no sugar. Healthy means no chemicals. Last night I finished my peanut butter. It's all good. Chia seeds, and then I'm gonna put some flaxseed in this as well. The way this channel is gonna work now, like my YouTube channel, is it's gonna turn more into like vlog style videos like this, and probably some like sit down talking video. You know that I'm starting a podcast. And so I have the podcast YouTube channel, and the podcast is also gonna be video. So the way it's gonna work is I'm gonna be uploading on that channel, but I'm also gonna upload the same videos on here so that y'all start to receive that information. But I also want to transfer, like, I want you guys to also follow that YouTube channel if it resonates, only if it resonates. Don't say I didn't tell you. If it resonates, because that's where all that's going to be in the future. But for the beginning of the podcast, I am going to upload on both. So here on this channel, you're gonna receive my podcast videos probably for like the first couple of months, and then I'm gonna only upload on that channel. But also on this channel, you're gonna get day in life videos, living alone diaries, you're gonna get maybe some product reviews, travel vlogs, lifestyle, positive, healthy lifestyle, always challenging and growing your mindset. Cover your ears. Sorry, but if you're allergic to bananas, I really feel for you, because bananas make shakes so good. I'm gonna upload this maybe on Sunday while I'm in Miami. And then while I'm in Miami, I am gonna vlog. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at jessica.tellian to stay up to date in real time, because that's how it is on IG. But then YouTube, you're gonna get more over here. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video very soon.